Lumens, your success, our focus.
This video will show you how to use VC-TR1 for streaming on YouTube via RTMP. Follow the simple steps to start. Position your camera above the audience on a tripod or dedicated mount. Take care to position the camera correctly. Position the camera around 8 meters from the subject, ideally at a height of 2.4 meters from the ground. Connect the power, HDMI, and network cables. Your laptop should be on the same network as the camera. Now, turn on the camera. Follow the steps to download and install the LumensCMS application. Once you've launched LumensCMS, go to the Device Manager. Select your camera. Click the Configuration button, and go to the RTMP tab. Sign into your YouTube account and go to the upper right corner. Click Create and select Go Live. You'll see a stream setting page. Copy the stream URL. Paste it on LumensCMS and add a slash after the URL. Again, copy the stream key and paste it after the slash on the application. Make sure to check the RTMP box and save the settings. You're now ready to start streaming on YouTube. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.